What's up, y'all? I am back with another video, and y'all, this video is going to be on DYHAIR777. I will be reviewing their hair. They sent it to me for review, and yeah, y'all, look at the cute bag. I thought that was so cute. Haven't seen hair put in a bag like that before. And they gave me a little gift, a little pin. I thought that was cute, even though I already have one. But thanks anyway, I appreciate it. Alright, so this is their information card. Y'all, if y'all hear anything in the background, I have children. And there's a coupon code, so use it, DYRE10. Y'all see it right there. That's their social medias. So y'all make sure y'all follow them. Everything is going to be in the description box. And that is the wig. It's in a little bag. Alright, y'all. So this wig, the hair is Malaysian. It's 180% density lace frontal wig. It's straight hair. Even though it has a little bit of a wave to it, in my opinion, it's straight hair. It's 20 inches. It's a natural color, and it's a medium size cap. It has 3 combs, one in the nape there, 2 on the side, with adjustable straps. The lace is not tinted, y'all. It is not bleached at all, so you're gonna have to bleach it. Also, I wasn't sure. You can part it anywhere, but I wasn't sure if they had did any plucking, but I don't think so. And if they did, they just did just a little bit. But I won't be doing any plucking in this video. This is my Maybelline Fit Me 360 powder. I'm just gonna put that on the lace. Now, I probably should have used my foundation, but y'all, this is my first time doing this. Literally my first time, so y'all gonna have to be patient with me. Leave me some good suggestions in the description, in the comment section. But yeah, y'all, I had to work with this wig, y'all. So I'm trying to fit it to my head. I'm gonna pull all of the hair back, put it in a clip, so I can cut these ear tabs. Y'all, this is gonna be my first time cutting ear tabs. Yeah, y'all make sure y'all thumbs up this video, subscribe if you haven't already. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. And welcome back to all of my old subscribers. I appreciate y'all so much. Y'all, my song was on. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut. Y'all, was so scared that I was gonna cut my hair, but I did cut some of the hair on the wig. I don't know if that's a normal thing that people do, but it looked like I had to. So it will fit my ear. Look at that hair. Okay, so I was feeling very insecure about if, you know, it was gonna stay on my head. So I used the combs. I put the combs in, and I usually don't use the combs, but I felt like I needed them because I didn't know how this was gonna turn out. So I'm gonna take my Got To Be glued gel, and I'm just going to apply that around my hairline. This is what I saw everybody else doing, y'all. So I'm like, this must be what I'm supposed to do. And I went by some of y'all's suggestions in my braided wig video too. And I did wipe my head with alcohol before I did this. And now I'm going to use the Got To Be freeze spray, and I'm just gonna put that right on top. Make sure you don't put the spray on the lace, y'all. I accidentally did that, and yeah, I shouldn't have. So now we're just gonna blow dry that until it's dry, or just like tacky. Alright, so now I'm gonna adhere it to my head, y'all. I was so scared this was not gonna come out right, but it looks like it's working out. So if you're not gonna bleach the knots, you have to use something to tint that lace, or it's not going to blend in and be seamless. So I found that out in this video. So I'm just combing it into the gel and hairspray. I'm just combing it right in there so it'll melt. You see, I got a little bit of flakes because I accidentally put the spray on the lace. Like, I don't know how to explain it. But now I'm just blow drying it in there, trying to melt it as good as I can. What do y'all think? Y'all think they did any plucking to it? I think they did, just a little bit. But yeah, y'all, I have to learn how to pluck. I have to learn how to bleach my lace, because last time I bleached my lace, I over bleached it, and a lot of my wigs look a mess because I didn't know what I was doing. Y'all saw that video. It's on my channel. So right here, I'm just cutting the lace. Y'all was so scared. I'm like, oh my God, look at this lace. It is white. Alright, y'all, so I went and I like wiped my forehead off with some alcohol to get like the residue from off of my head from the gel and the hairspray, and now I'm using a band just to lay it down. And this is another suggestion from y'all, that I lay my edges. Oh, and y'all, I didn't want any baby hairs. I just wanted a nice natural flow to my edges, so I didn't do any baby hairs. And here we go. I went in, but I put my makeup on, y'all. I had to put foundation all around my edges, and you can honestly still see it a little bit, the lace, but I did my best, y'all, and I think I did a great job. I think I did a really good job. The hair is really soft, y'all. It's really soft. I had to cut that off in the back, y'all. I cut off some hair in the back too, because I didn't see what I was doing. I couldn't see what I was doing. And here, I was trying to put a middle part, even though you can part it anywhere. I just didn't feel like having to go and get mousse and lay it down. And I like this better anyway. It looks more natural to me. And I'm taking a wax stick and just putting it all over the top part of the hair, because there was some flyaways at the top. Yeah, this texture is really, really like silky. And so now I'm just gonna flat iron it. And that is my Baby Bliss Pro, baby. I think that's what it's called. I'll leave a link in the description box if you want to purchase one. I got it from Amazon, I do believe. Yeah, Amazon. You see how natural it looks when I like comb it back? I love that look. And I love that flat iron too. It gets really, really super duper hot. So I'm just going through and flat. I'm not trying to get it like pin straight. I'm just going through and flat ironing the, you know, the parts that are like bumpy. Excuse the mowing, y'all. People are mowing their yarn. Their yards. All right. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. I'm so proud of myself. Oh my gosh. I am so proud. I love it. It's my first time, y'all. Y'all let me know what I need to do different. See, the back part, I didn't get the back part real good with the flat iron. But that's how long it is. It's 20 inches. I'm 5, how tall am I? 5'7". I'm about 5'7". I love it. There was just a little bit of shedding, y'all. It wasn't nothing crazy. But I honestly think the shedding that I got was from when I cut the hair. When I accidentally cut the hair. So, I love it. Y'all make sure y'all thumbs up this video, y'all. Share it on Twitter, Facebook, everywhere, y'all. And make sure y'all subscribe to my Yummy Bites TV channel, too, if y'all haven't already. Link in the description box. Bye. Stay tuned, y'all. Stay tuned.